Hello everyone. TabTrader has recently announced the release of its own non-custodial DeFi wallet, and today we're going to show you exactly how to use it. Once you have the TabTrader app downloaded, open it up and tap on the wallet icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can choose to either set up a new wallet or open an existing one. Select the option to set up a new wallet and create a PIN to access the app if you don't already have one. On the next step, you'll be brought to a page where you can see your 12-word secret recovery phrase. It is important that you write this phrase down and store it in a safe place, as it's the only way that you'll be able to restore your wallet in case you forget the PIN or lose your device. Also, be sure that nobody else gets hold of your secret recovery phrase, as it will give them complete access to your funds. Next, you'll be given the option to purchase cryptocurrency with MoonPay. However, to keep things simple for now, we'll be skipping this step and we'll come back to it later. Finally, you'll be brought to the wallet page. You're now ready to use your wallet. Now let's delete this new account so we can demonstrate how to open an existing wallet. To do that, we need to press on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Delete Wallet and enter your PIN. The app will then ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase is written down. Make sure you have it before proceeding. Now let's import an existing account. To do so, simply tap on the Import Existing One button at the bottom of the page, paste the recovery phrase associated with the account, and tap Next. On the next page, you will need to select the account that you want to import. Usually it's the first account on the list. After pressing the Import Wallet button, you'll be asked if you want to buy crypto through MoonPay. As before, we'll skip this for now. And that's it. After this, you'll be taken to the wallet homepage. Your newly added wallet account can be found in the Accounts tab. In addition to our built-in wallet, TabTrader now supports integration with several third-party non-custodial wallets on the Solana blockchain, such as Phantom and Solflare. To add a third-party Solana wallet account, click on the plus account and select Solana Wallet Adapter. Another type of account that you can add inside of the TabTrader wallet is a tracking account. Just select Solana from the list and paste the public wallet address here. Tracking accounts allow users to track all the publicly available information related to a particular wallet address, such as the amount of cryptocurrency stored, a list of incoming and outgoing transactions, and a record of orders placed on decentralized exchanges on the Solana blockchain. With tracking accounts, you can easily monitor your balances and trades across all of your devices, as well as keep tabs on wallets of your interest, such as celebrity wallets. To send and receive coins, go to the wallet homepage. Let's first focus on sending. Tap the Send button under your total balance and enter the recipient address. Next, select the desired cryptocurrency, for example SOL, and specify the amount that you want to send. Finally, press the Send button to complete the transaction. To receive coins, you'll need to provide the sender with your wallet's public address. You can find your address and its associated QR code by tapping the Receive button under your total balance. Now let's move on to the Buy button. Pressing it will take you to MoonPay, our integrated payment processor that allows you to purchase cryptocurrencies with your debit or credit card. Follow the prompts to select the type of token and amount that you wish to purchase and complete the transaction. Once that's done, your wallet balance will be updated with the purchased tokens. With the introduction of our built-in wallet and the available to connect third-party wallets, TabTrader now supports trading on decentralized exchanges. To place an order, simply find the desired trading pair and open the order form, either by clicking the basket icon or from the chart screen. Pin the wallet account you want to use if you have more than one. After filling in the order type, price and amount, submit the order. Once the order is placed, it will be visible on the chart and on the Orders tab on the wallet homepage. Completed trades will be listed in the Trades tab. To transfer funds back to your wallet from the exchange after the trade is completed, use the Settle button found on the card at the bottom of the Balance tab. On the Transactions tab, you can view all of your past transactions with detailed information, such as date, time, and amount. To access additional options, such as opening a transaction in SolScan, click the three dots icon on the right-hand side of the transaction. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Now you know how to set up and use your TabTrader wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.